Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Coffee Chug. I want to welcome you to the Python coding playlist. This is a self-paced learning guide. There are a million resources on how to get started in learning how to code in Python. And what I've done is I've tried to curate a starting point for you, a way for you to feel some success early on, do some learning, and be able to add your own personality and flair to the coding that you've done. And so there'll be tons of resources, but what we've chosen to do is use the Code Club as a starting point. It's an amazing platform, tons of projects, not just in Python, but many others, created by Raspberry Pi Foundation and many other contributors. We're going to start there, and I've implemented other bonus messages, challenges, and other things that we're going to be continuing to infuse into our learning. But it provides a starting point because anybody can access it. It's free, and you can do it in class. You can do it at home. You can do it on a lot of different devices, especially using Trinket, a web-based coding platform or code editor. And so I'm really excited for you to dive into this work. And so you're going to see a bunch of different playlists up in the top part of this website. And you're going to start in playlist 1, which is just the introductory course. And you kind of work through it at your own guide. And I have in there for you to submit your coding projects along the way. So we've built in the challenges with a Google Forms for you to submit your code from Trinket so you can earn your badges. And that's a way for us to see that you're learning, a way for us to help you out. And if you get stuck, obviously that's what we're here for. So without further ado, welcome to the site. I hope you're excited. I hope you're jazzed. I'm excited to put this stuff together. I'm excited to add my own creations and examples and other codes and continue to create a place for students of all ages and learning types and backgrounds to be able to start to feel successful that indeed they can do coding. All right, guys, so let's take all the beautiful and wonderful things that are online when it comes to coding. Let's remix it, let's make it our own, and let's get our learning on. Here we go.